Hello guys, this is part 2 of my gas install video, gas line install. This video is long overdue. I apologize for the delay. I got caught up with backyard installations and whatnot. Anyways, this meter here is an AC 630, so 630,000 BTU. If you recall, in my first video it was a much tinier one. I'll go over here to the neighbor. You can see that's the one that I used to have, and PG&E came out and upsized my meter, gave me this one that's more than double the capacity to provide enough gas to the fire pit and the outside appliances. So PG&E came in and installed this meter. They did this work here, installed this, came over here and installed this. This is a little earthquake shutoff valve that was there as well. They installed that, they installed this, and then they left this little T here and put a cap on it. So this is where I took over. So I installed everything this point on. So here's my shutoff valve, main shutoff valve, so I can turn the gas on or leave the gas off. So I like to have that valve there so that I have a main shutoff. I can shut off the fire pit out here. I don't have the gas barbecue grill yet, but eventually I will. So this will shut off the gas to both appliances. This is the main shutoff valve. In addition, I have individual shutoff valves, one at the fire pit and one eventually to the gas barbecue. But this is just a convenient way to shut it off here. Make sure if there's any leaks in the pipes that this will further prevent leaking, because I have two shutoff valves, one here and one at the appliance. So anyways, I installed this pipe here, and if you recall, there were two risers coming out of the ground, and these are those two risers. I have some unions here, and then this is just all standard pipe you can get from the hardware store, and you just buy a lot of different pieces of different lengths, and you see what ends up fitting. You dry fit it, and eventually you find the parts that fit and you put it all together. So these are the two riser pipes. If you recall, I needed to add a second one to get enough capacity to the fire pit. So again, everything from that point over was all handiwork that I did. That's the bigger meter. So I'll just go over and walk over to the fire pit so you can see the final product. Actually, here's the that other gas valve. Eventually I was gonna put a gas barbecue over here. So here's the other local shutoff valve. I haven't gotten around to installing a barbecue pit yet, but that's there for future, ready to go. And let's see, over here is the fire pit. So I'll go and have a look at this guy. It's I got a 48-inch triple ring burner underneath here. It's probably hard to see in there, but there's a triple ring burner, 48-inch. That was the biggest I could find. And here is the other shutoff valve I was talking about, so you can turn the appliance on or off. Now the riser pipe that used to be out here, actually it still is out here, but it's actually rising up in the wall of the fire pit here. So you want to have that gas pipe rise up in the middle of this wall here, and underneath I actually have the flexible tubing that goes to the center of the fire ring. There's flex tubing under here. You could probably see it if I open that up. Yeah, you see that flex piping over there. So anyway, you want to have your riser pipe come up in the middle of your wall so that you can install a nice little convenient valve like this in your wall of your fire pit. So this is a 48-inch diameter fire pit. All these bricks here I got at Home Depot. The actual wall of the fire pit is probably only about $200 worth of material from Home Depot, so that was rather cheap. And anyways, that's the finished product. Hope you like it.